Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this chain rule derivative look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds using a simple 3-step process. Let us get started now. Start by applying the power rule to the outer exponent. Bring the 7 down and reduce the power by 1, keeping the inner expression exactly as it is for now. Boom! Now focus on the inner function. Differentiate x squared minus 11x plus 24. The derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of 11x is 11. Nice! Finally, multiply the outer derivative by the inner derivative. This completes the chain rule process and matches our final expression perfectly, so that means option D is the winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't forget the inner function or skip the chain rule. Always retain the inner expression.